Hey guys, I'm just gonna show you guys real fast. I know you're learning how to add and subtract with negative numbers. So one trick I always like to teach my kids is to look at the numbers as being positive or green and negative in red. And when you get a problem that looks like this, ignore the parentheses and everything. Just pay attention that there's a 3 with nothing in front of it. That means it's positive. And a 2 with a little negative in front of it, which means it's negative. So for the 3, I like to do this trick. I like to do 3 pluses because there's 3 of these. And I know Ms. Garcia is kind of teaching you the same way with the computer with the red and yellow circles, but handwritten seems to also work a little bit. So let me explain it. So this would be -2, so there's 2 negatives here. Okay, so then I take another pen of black, and every time I see a plus and minus, I cancel each other out. That plus cancel this plus cancel this minus, and what's left over here? It's definitely a plus, and how many are there? One of them. So that's your answer. Now, this trick works well when you have small numbers, below 10 or up to 15 or something like that. So what do we do when we have a problem that has bigger numbers? So let's just pretend we're going to do 66 positive plus, and then we'll do a number like -99. So you can't do 66 plus to the 99 minuses and start canceling each other out, right? You can't do that. However, you could do a trick I like to teach my students is which number is bigger? That's right, the 99 is bigger. And is the 99, does it have a nothing or a positive in front of it, or does it have a negative in front of it? There's a negative. So your answer is going to be a negative because whichever number is bigger is going to be, if it's going to determine if the number is positive or negative. Let's just say that this was the positive and this would be a negative, then we would use the positive of the 99 because it's the bigger number. But in this example, we have the 99, which is bigger, with a negative behind it, right? So -99 minus 60 plus 66. We know our number is going to be negative. So now we ignore the positive and negative for a little bit, and all we do is a very standard 99 minus 66. We know from basic math, 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. And we have our answer as 33. But because we determined that the final answer is going to be a negative because the negative is on the bigger number, then we take this 33 and we just put it next to where we had already set our problem up. Last example. Let's just say you have a problem that looks like this. -2 plus -2. So right here we have 2 negatives, right? Right here we also have 2 negatives. There's no positive to cancel out the negative, so then we just have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of them, and they're all negatives. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions on it. I love this math because this math is super easy. We just got to get past the minuses and the parentheses and all the stuff that looks scary. After you get past that, the rest of it is pretty straightforward and easy.